Hi, this is Amy from Miss Amy Kate Travels, and I'm here in Disney World, Florida. Today, I'm at the Swan and Dolphin Hotel. Right now, I'm at the Swan, and I'm in a room with two queen beds. We got a resort view, and I'm about to give you a tour of it. So let's check it out. So here we have the two queen beds. The Swan has queen beds, whereas the Dolphin has double beds. There's a nightstand in between the two beds with some stuff right here for coffee and water too. Above that there's a phone, clock, and a lamp. And the Swan has heavenly beds, and I've slept on them before, and they are amazing. I wanted to see if this was squishy. Yep, it is. There's some pretty artwork on the wall. Over here we have the TV, ice bucket, and then the Mr. Coffee maker. Down below we have a little refrigerator, and there's also 2 bottles of water in there, and just a couple of shelves. Here's some drawers, and they're actually pretty deep. I go down to here on my hand. And then the second queen bed. And then a chair over here. And that's actually not the only chair. There is a desk with a chair and a lamp over here. And I mentioned we had a resort view, and it's beautiful. Over here we can see the boardwalk and the boardwalk pool. And out this way we can see the entrance to the valet of the Swan. Over there you can see Tower of Terror, so it's a really nice view. As we walk our way back, this is the thermostat on this side of the wall. Moving our way into the bathroom. One nice thing about the Swan is there are 2 sinks, but they are separated from each other. And so if 2 people want to get ready at the same time, they can do that easily without being in the same room together. So that's really nice. I like to put all my toiletries on one sink, while my husband can put them on the other. It's a nice lighted mirror, and then there's a makeup mirror right there. And then sink, towels, the toiletries, another lighted mirror, some artwork. Get that straightened out. And then we have the tub and shower combination. Last time I stayed here, I stayed in a king bedroom, and we just had a shower, so I didn't know what we'd get this time. There's a mirror here for getting ready, and then there's the closet. Comes with a luggage rack, a really nice robe, a safe that's decent sized. Looks like it could hold a laptop maybe. An ironing board, some hangers, an iron, and an extra pillow. And up here there's more hangers and a hair dryer. And right now they're only doing housekeeping on the third day, and then you can request it if you need it. But yeah, here's the room. Seems really nice and I like it. I'm excited to stay here. Thank you for watching my video of the Swan of the 2-queen room, and I hope you have a nice day. Until next time, thanks for watching.